Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm down at Paphos Harbour tonight because it's the start of the Taste of Cyprus food festival. I'm just going to have a wander around, see what it's like. Before I go there, there was also a poetry exhibition where they have the artisan market sometimes, so you might want to go and see that as well. Now, Taste of Cyprus is a free night event. There's also an advert for a drone show coming on the 5th of August. I presume that's at the beer festival, that is actually, so that'll be next week. So I saw the word drone and I got excited. I don't think it's just going to be watching someone like me fly a drone, it's going to be a proper display. So let's go and have a look. Now apparently there should be some Cypriot dances at the moment. And then there's going to be food demonstrations at 7:30. That's the plan, but I've never known these things to go according to the plan. Thank you very much. It's just been given a QR code. And there's lots of stands here selling jewellery. I want to see where the food is. Go through this. This is almost like the Fringe event. The Warehouse of Vintage. Imperial Crystals. All selling plushies. And you've got chimneys. They had them at the beer festival the other week. Nama Speciality Coffee, Luku Madness, terrible pun. Which maybe is a classic though in Cyprus. Oh, look at all that. Oh, you missed that. Someone had some very nice looking hot dogs there. Right, this is the foodie area. And we've gone past that music now, so that should be good. There's a Coca-Cola stand. I'll look on the left first and work my way around that way. I think there's just lots of seating area to eat your food. Actually, I'll change that. The Legend, what are they? Pudding. Quite a lot of stalls here actually, looking around. I've already blown my... Oh, I can smell a barbecue sort of thing as well. That looks interesting.
It's cooked in a traditional kazan.
Asian cuisine. Snacks there. Cool. So they were filming there, so... Corn ribs, what on earth are they? There's certainly a variety of foods here. Wild Earth Fine Kitchen. Got mushrooms in there. At this point, YouTube blocked the film because of the music that was playing in the background. So I've had to cut out a segment. And I'm showing you the message that I get so you can see it's not just them removing any monetization, it's them actually physically blocking the film. That's the problem. But we'll just skip a few minutes and then go back when the music wasn't offensive to YouTube. Now, Millie, they were at the Playa Beer Festival too. Hello. That's your prices. Bad. Salt and Stone Cyprus Dry Gin. Not sure what that was. Well, I can actually talk at the moment, so that's good. There's more drinks on this side. I might go past and round and do the food one again, because they haven't got the music playing at the moment. Come and grab a hot dog. I'm just going round again now because the first batch had lots of loud music. There's the pizzas. Ooh, mind that lady. They do spirits there.
Hello.
Hello. And Mr. Worst, these look nice. I'll just show you what one of those looks like.
How? You want the classic?
I might have to have one of those, I think. Fried chicken in the bun. See that? Oh. That looks good. Souvlaki. Souvlaki and halloumi. Now you've got the Leon beer section. And those things aren't pizza boxes, they are just holders for drinks. I'll move past the stage. There was supposed to be Greek dance or Cypriot dancing here from 7 to 7:30, but I'm not sure what's happened to that. And there's supposed to be a cooking exhibition or demonstration at 7:30. But basically, just turn up and have a look at all the food and the beer and enjoy the scene, is my advice. Authentic heroes down here. Brisket sandwich. I remember them from Pay a Beer Festival, they're very popular. I'll work out what they are. They look very nice though. Hello! Keftedes wraps. Very good. Now you've got El Greco. Now they've got a shop up in Bar Street now, the top end, that used to be the South African place. I think it was South African. You can get your soft drinks there. Urban souvlaki. Oh, let's have a look at that.
Hello guys, how are you?
And you can get burgers there and stuff. You know what you're getting as well because they show it to you. There you go. And finally, I'm being quick before the music starts. Oh, loyal to the flavour.
That one. This is hot dog.
Yes. It's not exactly the hot dog that we know. It's a little bit mixed the flavors between Greece and around the world because we have French bread.
Looks very nice.
Cooking shows coming up very soon for professional chefs from the CCA Cyprus.
Ah, this must be what this
Chef
is.
Association. See those guys with the funny hats like running? These guys know what they're doing.
Hopefully, this won't be copyright music. And there's going to be a cooking exhibition happen here soon. I'm just trying to do a bit of filming without the music. Nice sunset in the background there. There has to be some editing going on, I think. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, go past the DJ. There's Huma Beer and the wineries and New Brewery. We saw them at the beer festival. So it's about food today. Salt and Stone Cyprus dry gin. Octopus Cyprus craft beer. I wonder where that's brewed. Ooh. So I'm just getting your QR codes. Where are you based?
We're from Satira.
Oh, okay. There you are. Bit of a trek for me then. Cheers. So a bit further away than Milieu then. There's something smoky over here. Now, do I get something to eat? That's the question. Oh, he's added some noodles now. Something similar. It's a creation in progress. Oh, it's a bit quieter now. Now, I think what I'm going to do is go and get one of those hot dogs that I saw right at the other end, because they look rather nice. I'm not going to show you a picture of me stuffing it in my throat, but I'll show you what it looks like before I do that. How's that for a happy compromise? Slight delay there. So we'll wander through. Who knows, they might even start their dancing.
All right, everybody. Very soon, in the next few minutes, we're gonna have a live cooking going on right over here at the Cyprus Chefs Association booth, right over here, in front of the stage. You can turn on to the big screen up there, which we'll be showing it as well. But for those of you who want to get a closer look, you can come up to the CCA booth and witness magic.
That could have been weird. I could have filmed myself filming something on a big screen. Hungry Up. Oh no, it's not Hungry Up. I'll get my wallet ready. I'm looking forward to this though. Food Brothers. So I'm not sure what happened to the dancers. Perhaps they'll come along later. But I want one of these because they look lovely. Pulled pork or a Greek style hot dog? I think I'm going to go for a Greek style hot dog. Anyway, I'll wait my turn in line. I could have a Greek style hot dog, please.
Of course. And a Greek style hot dog.
Well, we're just watching this getting made.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, it looks good. Oh, these look like bacon bites. Oh, this looks delicious. Cheers, thank you very much. Look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So this is, let's get your name up, Food Brothers. They're at the far end. Definitely pop in and see them. I'm going to go off and eat this now. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Napkin. Oh. Oh, let's go and sit down. I don't do food reviews, but I'll film that. Look at that. Imagine this is on a Lazy Susan and not just my hand. It's the Greek style hot dog. Right, I'm going to enjoy that, but I'm not going to film myself eating it because it's going to get messy. Oh, that was good. Right, I'm going to go and film what they're doing on the stage now.
With this amazing
Yes, that was
restaurant.
very nice.
Ivario's in trouble. Ivario Excess. Yeah, I've never seen it. I've been in the restaurant industry for a few years as well, so, but I've never seen something like this. It looks amazing.
I was there when they were doing the cooking.
Right, chef. So we've got rice pudding on the menu, beef stivado. Okay. And how long do you think it takes for this to get ready?
It's quite well done as well, because if you
5 minutes? Okay.
don't want to huddle up there, you can watch it on the big screen over there. Anyway, this is the street food festival that's at Paphos Harbour at the moment.
Είδα το σερβίρι τώρα το στιφάδο.
I'm going to have to do some editing here, but I can tell you that the food's very nice. So let's just wander down to our harbour area.
Smoked pepper. Salt.
Leave you a final look of the castle. The sun's set now, but there should still be the nice little afterglow behind the castle. So, as I said, it's on for the next 3 nights, including tonight. And next weekend, it's a long weekend, there's a beer festival there, which shouldn't be that dissimilar, I'd have thought. More emphasis on beer and food, but there will still be plenty of food here and entertainment as well. I'll finish with a nice shot of the castle. Someone having a bounce on those weird, they can't call them trampolines, but whatever they are. I wouldn't suggest going on there after a few beers and a hot dog or two though. Yes, that's my only issue I have with these food festivals, is that in Cyprus you get big portions and you can't really sample a variety of foods unless you come more than one night, which isn't a bad idea really. So bear that in mind if you're on holiday here and you want to try something a bit different. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next film. Cheers!